que nos deu o prazer da sua presença cá, que é o fundador, a alma da Magico, portanto o homem que fundou a Magico, portanto o grande criativo da marca, e com estas colunas ainda, como ele vai explicar, ainda conseguiu dar mais um salto dentro do trabalho que estão a fazer. Portanto, é o Sr. Alon Wolf, da Magico, portanto, que vai tocar umas impressões convosco. Alon, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you all for coming. This is a very special event. It's a wonderful store, which you don't see very often anywhere in the world. So you guys are very lucky to have a store like this in Lisbon. It's the first time that I'm here. Beautiful city, beautiful space, beautiful music. What else one need?
Good food.
And happened to notice that you guys have that as well. Yes, noticed it quite well actually. So we are presenting here the Empro. That's a special product that we developed for our 10th anniversary celebration. It represents a lot of things that we learned in the past 10 years, and also new things that will be introduced soon in different models and in the future. Think about it as the same concept as doing a concept car, where you show what can be done and what might be done in the future. We built only 50 pairs of this special project. This is the fourth city in Europe that we're showing it. We showed it in Italy, Milano, in Holland, and also in Paris, and now in Lisbon. And this is probably the last time we will show an Empro in Europe. All these pairs are sold, so there's not too many options and places to actually hear it. We've done a lot of work that is unique in these loudspeakers. Of course, the shape, as you can see, carbon fiber. This is something that is new to us. We haven't done that before. The pinnacle of this creation is a new tweeter, which we developed for almost 2 years, and we feel it's a real revelatory high-frequency transducers that creates almost a new sense of a musical experience. Which by now, if you heard the speaker, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. I can explain to you later on if you're interested more about the technology went into this development. We're also using a new, this is our 7th generation cone material. This is a very special material that we were able to develop. I think we're the first company in the world that commercially is using these kind of composites. It allowed us to create a cone that is 30% lighter and 300% stiffer. And again, I can go into more detail later on if you guys will be interested in. We are very happy with the results, and I think it's a product that represents what Magico is all about. And I hope you guys will enjoy the presentation. And if you have any questions after we listen to some music, we'll be more than happy to reciprocate. So, Luis, music.
Okay.
Music best.
Da 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 da, da 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 da, ah da 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 dee, da 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 dee da, da 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 dee. Não queiras gostar de mim sem que eu te peça, nem me des nada que ao fim eu não mereça. Vê se me deitas depois culpas no rosto. Isto é sincero, porque não quero dar-te um desgosto de quem eu gosto. Nem às paredes confesso, e até aposto que não gosto de ninguém. Podes julgar, podes chorar, podes sorrir também de quem eu gosto. Nem às paredes confesso, quem sabe se te esqueci ou se te quero. Quem sabe até se é por ti, por quem eu espero. Se gosto ou não, afinal, isso é comigo. Mesmo que penses que me convences, nada te digo de quem eu gosto. Nem às paredes confesso, e até aposto que não gosto